All right, so we're here today for Real Talk Finance. What are we saving for? It's all about life skills, and the idea today is we're in the core of Toronto. We're bringing youth here to hear from our panelists today, and my name's Chris Thompson, I'm gonna moderate, and the idea is we never got to learn about financial literacy until we're older and made mistakes, so we're bringing high school students in and some university to learn from an earlier age about why it's important to save, why it's important to learn how to bank, credit, and all those things. So hopefully it's a great event, and remember, hashtag skills for life.
My name is Pollyanna Reed, and I'm an author, celebrity ghostwriter, and journalist. Financial literacy is important because if you never learn to understand money, you will always be a slave to it. Goal setting around money. Well, I feel like when I was in high school, I didn't have any, I just wanted more of it, but didn't know how to make it. And so I had to stand on a team of giants and have personal advisors and mentors and people who were already making more than me and who were already successful and learn from their habits and their routines.